Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Kanopy, spelled with a K, has been around for years, but it's getting better all of the time, and it's a great way to access high-quality streaming content for free. It's offered as a service by many public libraries and colleges, and from there you can watch via the Kanopy app on Roku, Apple TV, Android TV, Fire TV, Chromecast, and more. For kids, they've just added new content from Highlights and Sesame Workshop. VP of Content Jason Tyrrell.
The model is based upon bringing the best of what's available in narrative film, documentary film, shorts, animation, and kids programming, and making it available as broadly as we can through the library markets.
You may be surprised at how much is available. Get out your library card or sign up for one and head to kanopy.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.